So guess una dey see una life. Una dey see una life. Shebi you dey complain now say 3 years of relationship your guy dump you. You dey cry say men they are not good, men are not good. Let me shock you. You are the problem of yourself. Oh. Let me tell you where most of una dey made mistake for relationship. You anytime when you won't go greet your boyfriend, you dey always dey carry your girlfriend follow body. Go dey give your boyfriend friends. Make them dey chop. So that make your boyfriend they say, I love this girl. This girl, she dey try. Let me tell you, you be Oswald. That man cannot marry you. That man cannot marry you. That man cannot marry you. You know why? Because that man will be your boyfriend. So he must they think and say, now so those your girlfriends, they introduce you, they give their own boyfriend friends the chop. Because no be you get sense pass. No be you get sense pass. No be you get sense pass. You when they introduce your girlfriends, give your boyfriend friends, make them they chop. Normally, if those your girlfriends still call you, say, Alpha, my boyfriend friend say he like you, you no get option that they say yes, you must go chop for there. Because the way you they carry them, they give your own side. Now so they will see they carry you, they give their own side. Now 100, now 50, so now they do one equal. That is why men no feel love you, they no feel marry you when you they carry your girlfriend, they give your friends, they chop. Una no get sense, una no get sense. At the end of the day, now they catch me say this man a bad person. After 3 years of relationship, she just dumped me like that. He just dumped me like that. Let me tell you, no man will marry you. See. That man no love you. He just they take you as fucking mate. He cannot marry you well because now the eye when they look you now be that. If you dey relationship, any person come tell you say, Alpha, that your friend, I like him. Tell her say may he go for her. May he go for her by himself. No talk to your friend for another person though, because that man not go marry you. And for una when be men, when be say if man just dey date your friend, will just dey date girl. Anytime when you call, you jam the girl. After that your girlfriend, I like her run her for me now. You no get mouth. You no get mouth. You no get mouth to talk to girl by yourself. When I tell they scatter people relationship when supposed start, when supposed lead to marriage because of una bad character. See girl when you like, go for it. Now they ask that girl say, do one for me. Now they scatter some people relationship when supposed stand, supposed lead to marriage. And for una wey be boys, if your friend say, Alpha, tell your girl may run that girl for me. No gree, no gree. He get why they tell you no gree. Because if you allow your girlfriend to toast her girlfriend to your friend, see, that your friend, that your boyfriend, Phoebe Oswald, he go just dey pump money for that girl when they give her so. And anything make that boy they pump money for that girl, that your own when they demand for money before, you go continue to the demand for money. And let me tell you, those guys now so they can't be like twins. So even you will be boy, you and that your boyfriend now can't be like twins. Anything when this one do for you, you must do it for your own. Anything when you do for your own, that one must do it for your own. Now so it can't be like twins. And let me tell you the final bus stop of that relationship. If you and this your girl don't separate, say una break up, that or that one now break up. Now so the relationship be, because no allow your friend to dey toast another girl for your friend. If you allow your girlfriend to dey bring girl go give your friend, you don't set trap for your own relationship. Get sense. If you no get sense this year, you no go get sense again.